Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. The World Robot Conference just happened in China. There are some huge developments breaking. AI robots are going to take over the world, including us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what was said, what kind of robots were unveiled in the World Robot Conference in China, some of the things and jobs that they're going to take over. Man, guys, this is shocking. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So the World Robot Conference, right? It happened, just like days ago in Beijing, China. So this is an annual event that has become a major showcase for the latest advancements in robot technology. Now here's an overview of the event before we go into the details of the robots, right? So the conference featured forums, exhibitions, and competitions. There were 169 companies that participated, showcasing over 600 products, including 60 plus new releases, right? The exhibition area covered 52,000 M2. Now, so the humanoid robots, there was a record 27 humanoid robot models that were on display. They demonstrated capabilities like industrial training scenarios, fetching medicine, right? They're even getting into the medical field right here, right? Playing the piano, washing clothes. Sorry, mom. They took your job, mom. Making coffee. Sorry, dad. And some of the notable humanoid robots included the, and hopefully I'm saying this right, the Tiangong 1.2 Max from Beijing, right, Embedded Intelligence Robots Innovation Center. So the Tiangong 1.2 Max is an advanced humanoid robot developed in China that has recently garnered significant attention. Here are some key details that shocked me and probably will shock you. The height is 173 centimeters, that's about 5'8". The weight is about 132 pounds, so this is like weighing like a person, right? It was upgraded from the previous, 163 centimeters and the 43 kilograms version. So the capabilities is its mobility, right? It can run steadily at speeds up to 6 kilometers. That's 3.7 miles per hour. It is able to traverse challenging terrains, including grass, sand, hills, gravel, stairs, and slopes. It is capable of range task execution and complex manipulations. It features voice interaction capabilities and can understand human instructions. If you like this video so far, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. If you like this video so far, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. So there's also grasping, right? It utilizes an open vocabulary object detection and arbitrary object segmentation multi-model model for grasping actions technology. It employs predictive reinforcement imitation learning based on state memory. It combines dynamic methods for stability with reinforcement learning for generalization. It is supported by an embodied intelligent large model. Now, some of the achievements of this device or AI robot it's the world's first full-size electric-powered humanoid robot to achieve human-like running. Yes, it's out here footing on soldiers, right? Footing. And it's first embodied intelligent robot to demonstrate long-range task capabilities at a world-class conference. The Tiangong 1.2 Max represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, showcasing China's progress in this field. Its versatile capabilities and impressive physical attributes position it as a leading platform for research and practical applications in embodied artificial intelligence. There's also the S1 by Astribot, right? That's another humanoid robot. And the Astribot S1 is a cutting-edge humanoid robot developed by Shenzhen-based Stardust Intelligence, which is a Chinese robotics company. Now, here are some of the impressive updates from this World Conference. It's, the capabilities and the specifications. So the Astro S1 boasts a remarkable speed and precision, right? In its movements, the top speed of 10 meters per second, surpassing the average adult human. The payload capacity of 10 kilograms per arm. The 7 degrees of freedom per arm, rivaling human limb flexibility. There is the motion repeatability within 0.03 millimeters, ensuring precise task execution. Now, the demonstration skills, the robot has showcased an impressive array of abilities. Sorry, mom. You have household tasks, right? Designed for cooking, cleaning, and folding wives. Well, sorry, wife. You have the dexterity. It's capable of opening and pouring wine, shaving cucumbers, flipping sandwiches in a frying pan, and writing calligraphy. Now, if it's able to make salmon, if it's able to make salmon my favorite, then We really have a problem. So its speed, it's fast enough to perform tricks like pulling a tablecloth from under stacked wine glasses without disturbing them, right? There's the mimicry, it's adept in replicating human movements, suggesting strong learning potential. There's development and release. It's founded in 2022. Astribot developed the S1 over approximately 1 year. The commercial availability, however, is expected to be later this year, okay? So some of the background of this company is significant, right? Astribot is a subsidiary of Stardust Intelligence, founded by Lei Jai, hopefully I'm saying that right, who has previously worked on Tencent Robotics Laboratory, Baidu, and Hong Kong Polytechnic University. The company name Astribot is inspired by the Latin phrase ad astra per aspera, reflecting their commitment to advancing AI robotic technology. Now, while Astribot S1 has generated significant excitement in the robotics community, some questions remain about its full capabilities, such as whether it has a lower body for locomotion. Nevertheless, right, its demonstrated speed, precision, and versatility position it as a potential groundbreaking entry in the rapidly evolving field of humanoid robotics. Then we have delivery robots, right? This is when it really gets real. So delivery robots have become an increasingly popular technology for last mile deliveries, right? Especially on college campuses and in urban areas. So here are some key points that shocked me, will shock you, will shock the world. So how they work. Delivery robots are small, autonomous vehicles designed to navigate sidewalks and pedestrian areas to make local deliveries. Now, they typically use GPS, cameras, sensors, and AI to navigate and avoid obstacles. They travel at walking speeds of around 4 miles per hour. They can carry loads of 10 to 20 pounds. That Chick-fil-A you guys been getting from that Uber Eats. And then they're battery powered and electric. They have secure locked compartments to hold deliveries. They can be monitored and controlled remotely if needed. Now, what do you think is Elon Musk and all the other tech US giants are going to do in response to this kind of development? Let me know in the comment section below. So the main use for delivery robots include food delivery from restaurants and campus dining halls, grocery and package delivery, hospital deliveries of supplies, lab samples, etc., hotel room service. Now, the benefits of these delivery robots are, they reduce delivery cost and labor needs, and that's probably one of the biggest things that's causing this is the financial opportunity, the financial investments, etc. They supposedly offer faster, more efficient deliveries. They're environmentally friendly, right? They have zero emissions. There's contactless delivery option. There's a novel technology that appeals to younger consumers. Now, as of right now, while still an emerging technology, delivery robots are becoming more common. Okay, companies like Starship Technologies have completed millions of deliveries. So more college campuses, right, in the US are using delivery robots. So do you guys think that is also like a accident hazard? I don't know. So major companies like Amazon and Uber are testing robotic delivery as we speak. So the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated adoption of autonomous delivery challenges, right? So some of the ongoing issues when it comes to these kinds of things is the navigating crowded sidewalks and crosswalks, the weather conditions like snow and heavy rain. That could also be a challenge for these kinds of things. There's the occasional vandalism or theft charges, people trying to get what's in that compartment, that locked compartment. There's the regulatory questions in some areas, right? And other robotic types that were discussed in this conference was wide. There's the industrial robotic arms, there's the quadruped robots, there's the minimally invasive surgical robots, and there's the exoskeleton joints. So oh wow, I mean that is shocking to me, guys. That is really shocking to me. And it seems like every one of these conferences there are more and more robots being introduced, etc. I don't know. Where do you guys think the world is headed? So that's what I have for today. If you like this video, if you were shocked, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like button. If you were shocked, if I gave you some information that you weren't expecting, please hit that subscribe button and like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.